ASRock Industrial NVIDIA Jetson AGX Orin Developer Kit Ultimate Edge AI and Robotics Platform. Imagine a world where AI isn't just a buzzword, but a powerful tool reshaping industries, right here, in the hands of manufacturers, developers, and engineers. But here's where it gets controversial. How do we balance cutting-edge performance with practicality in real-world applications? ASRock Industrial has just unveiled a game-changer, the NVIDIA Jetson AGX Orin Developer Kit, a versatile platform designed to push the boundaries of edge AI, robotics, and industrial automation. This isn't just another hardware release, it's a leap forward in delivering supercomputer-level processing in a compact, energy-efficient form factor. Let's break down what makes this kit a standout solution for tomorrow's challenges. At its core, the Jetson AGX Orin Developer Kit is powered by the NVIDIA Jetson AGX Orin series, featuring an Ampere GPU architecture paired with a high-performance ARM Cortex-A78 AE CPU. This combination delivers up to 275 TOPS of AI computing power, a 8x jump over the Jetson AGX Xavier. But this isn't just about raw numbers, it's about real-world impact. With 64GB LPDDR5 memory, with ECC support, in the industrial variant, and flexible 64GB eMMC 5.1 storage, this kit is built to handle demanding tasks from robotics to smart city applications. Now, let's talk about what makes this kit truly remarkable. It supports up to 4 4-lane MIPI, or GMSLII cameras, along with 12 PO ports, enabling seamless computer vision setups. The dual Ethernet interfaces, including Marvell Gigabit PHY and Intel PCIe controllers, ensure robust connectivity. And don't forget the USB 3.2 ports, stereo audio, and HDMI 2.0 display outputs, everything you need for a smooth, integrated system. But here's the part most people miss: the thermal resilience. Operating from -25°C to 50°C, this kit thrives in harsh environments, from remote cargo control to industrial automation. The expansion capabilities are equally impressive. With 2 PCIe Gen4 x8 slots, M.2 km EBE slots for NVMe SSDs and microSD cards, and dedicated 5G per 4G LTE and Wi-Fi modules, this is a platform that grows with your needs. Even the power system is ahead of its time, 12-48 VDC input with surge protection and advanced safety features like OVP and UVP. And don't overlook the software side. NVIDIA Jetpack 6.2 provides everything you need to develop AI inference, computer vision, and robotics apps quickly. But wait, what if the complexity of these specs feels overwhelming? Is this kit truly accessible for beginners, or does it require specialized expertise? The answer lies in its flexibility. Whether you're building a drone, a smart retail system, or an AMR robot, the Jetson AGX Orin Developer Kit offers the tools to adapt. And here's a thought: could the trade-offs between performance, cost, and scalability ever be optimized for every industry? We'd love to hear your take in the comments. What do you think? Unlocking real-time 3D perception, InnovizSMART LiDAR on NVIDIA Jetson Orin. The future of smart applications just got a turbocharge. Innoviz Technologies has unleashed a game-changing integration of its InnovizSMART long-range LiDAR with NVIDIA's powerhouse Jetson Orin platform, promising to revolutionize edge computing for autonomous tech. But here's where it gets interesting. This isn't just about faster processing, it's a blueprint for smarter, safer, and more scalable AI deployments across industries. By merging Innoviz's cutting-edge LiDAR, capable of pinpointing objects up to 400 meters away with razor-sharp 3D precision, with Jetson Orin's AI muscle, the partnership tackles a major pain point: the lag between data collection and decision-making in real-time systems. Imagine traffic management systems that anticipate congestion before it happens, or robots in warehouses that navigate obstacles seamlessly. The integration streamlines this pipeline, letting complex AI models run directly on the device, at the edge, rather than relying on cloud servers. This means less latency, lower costs, and the ability to handle vast amounts of sensor data in milliseconds, a critical win for applications like autonomous vehicles, drones, and smart cities. This isn't just a tech handshake, notes Omer Khelaf, Innoviz CEO. It's about empowering developers to build systems that think faster than humans, from collision-avoiding robots to intelligent highways. The future of autonomy demands this level of synergy. InnovizSMART itself is built for the tough stuff, rugged, low power, and designed to deliver uniform, high-resolution point clouds even in harsh conditions. But controversy lurks. Critics argue that heavy reliance on proprietary platforms, like Jetson Orin, could fragment the ecosystem. Others see it as a necessary step towards standardization. As one expert asks, are we trading flexibility for the sake of speed? Innoviz counters by emphasizing openness, citing existing customer deployments as proof of its strategic flexibility. The company, already a Tier 1 supplier to global auto giants, is doubling down on its mission to make autonomous systems safer than human-driven ones. With operations spanning the US, Europe, and Asia, Innoviz is pushing LiDAR beyond cars, into aerial surveillance, logistics, and even smart farms. So, what's the big deal? For beginners, edge computing is like having a supercomputer in your device instead of waiting for the cloud. This integration makes that computer smarter and faster. But here's the question, will this NVIDIA Innoviz duo set a new industry standard, or will open-source alternatives push back? Weigh in below. ***, dive deeper ***, learn more about InnovizSMART's specs here https://innoviz.tech/InnovizSMART or email protected for insights. About Innoviz global LiDAR leader powering autonomous vehicles and beyond, with tech that sees more accurately than humans. Follow the conversation on Facebook, https://www.facebook.com/pg/InnovizTechnologies/posts, LinkedIn, https://www.linkedin.com/company/Innoviz-Technologies, YouTube, https://www.youtube.com/results?*search_query=Innoviz plus Technologies, and Twitter https://twitter.com/Innovizlidar. ***media, investor inquiries ***, email protected. Forward-looking statement warning this announcement contains projections subject to risks, including tech competition and geopolitical factors. See Innoviz SEC filings for full disclosures.